Are you able to spike it for free?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I was on the next one.
Actually, it's 20 bucks.
That's a good sign. Man, I tell you, this current's strong. It's pushing me way off. Let's go try to catch some more. Try throw my one bait out, at least have that out. I see marks down below. I'll continue looking for bait while I troll, but I'm going to go with the wind and I won't have to pedal because it's quite strong. And I can just relax because I'm fighting uphill, pedaling hard and only getting like 1 to 2 miles an hour. I'm going to run this on fluoro. It's not a huge one. You get mahi-mahi size if there's mahi out here. Easily through the skin. Right there, right below me. Let me get him out. I'll reel it up in a second. It's trolling. This guy. I don't think he's on. If they cut the line, then that means it's an ono. Oh, took my bait. All right. So we gotta catch more bait. That didn't last very long. Caught it in the eye. finding it, they're just not staying on. There we go. There we go. Been a while. Hopefully my bait doesn't get too tangled. Woo! I'll turn the little clicker on, it's fun to hear. I'm in 295. It's not super heavy. Probably a Kawakawa. Head shakes though. Could be a sheebie. I'm just worried about my damashis over here. I don't want it to get too tangled with this thing. Yeah, it looks tangled. Let me do this. Oh, shoot. No, 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 no. Let me just get this in the boat and then I'll deal with my damashi after. What do we have here? Well, at least I'm not tangled. Looks like a Kawakawa. I'll take a Kawakawa. Gotta hit it first. Alright, right in the gills, perfect. You can bleed it. Let me get this up before it's super tangled. All right. Now what is this stuck on? All right. Something's on it. What? What in the what? What do I have here? Look at that! A small Kawakawa on my damashi. I may use this for bait. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. All right. I'm on my way in. Something's wrong with my fish bag. It took on a lot of water inside, melted the ice, so I gotta get back and get some more ice. I have a Bixby. I don't use it very often. I really keep it for emergencies. I usually keep it in the bow there. But I was fighting the wind so much today that I was a little tired. I tell you what, it's not bad riding in. I got two Opelus out and I'm just cruising here. Legs up, propped up. I can't really complain. Well, no more action. The Bixby motor, it ran great. It got down like 3 out of 6 power battery marks, and then it went from 4 to 0 in about 30 minutes. It just went whoop. That was at max power though, but it was still good to have. It's pretty windy out.